Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today is my second day at Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary, the Bharatpur of Maharashtra, for some crazy bird photography. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you. Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. in the morning and we are going to head out for some early morning bird photography. I have my 7300mm kit lens today. I could not get a higher focal lens today and maybe I will be able to take some good shots with it. It's worth the practice. Let's see if it works out. After a 30-minute drive from Baramati, we have reached Kumbhargaon Bird Sanctuary, the hub of so many birds. This is my second day at Bhigwan, guys. If you wanna know what I did on day 1, video is right here and also with the link down below, you can check it out. Or else just continue watching this video. My settings, I'm using aperture priority mode. I'm using the widest aperture my lens can offer, that is f6.3 in 300mm auto ISO, and I've set my maximum ISO to 1600, minimum shutter speed to 1/1600, white balance auto, centered metering, AFC, 9 focus points, and continuous shooting. Wow, we got some great birds in the morning. Now we are going to take another boat ride to find some more birds. The last boat ride of the trip. guys, had a lot of fun at Bhigwan today. I clicked so many photographs, recorded so many videos, and met so many new birds. So if you wanna come to Bhigwan, guys, next winter or summer, you should definitely come for the amazing birds and nature, whether you have a camera or not. If you have a camera, take your camera out, guys, whether it's Bhigwan or in your backyard. Click those birds, nature, landscapes, whatever you like clicking. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which is your favorite spot with nature. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is day 1's video. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.